Alright, we got this customer request here, so he can't get a solid from this board, and today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this board and get a solid from it. So let's begin. As you see at the first place, if we just go to edit this future, so here you can see some mistakes on the topology here, and we should fix this. So let's fix everything here to get our solid. At first, I'm going to, as you see that it looks like a mirrored board, so I'm just going to remove this hole and mirror this. Okay, so now I have this board mirrored, and I'm going to remove all of these hard creases. Let me get the box mode, and all of these hard creases, remove them. Okay, now on here, this line here is unnecessary, so I'm going to just remove it. We accept this. Okay, and I'm gonna connect this like that. We got this here also, this unnecessary lines. I'm gonna remove it and connect also again like that. All right, here also, and like this. Now let's remove this. When the constraint move here, I'm gonna move this a little bit back here and insert edges, connect them to the edge. All right, and again, still check the constraint move. I'm gonna just move this slightly back here and connect these two parts here. All right, now at the back here I have some unnecessary line, this one and this one. I'm going to remove them. We got some vertex here, unnecessary also. This line here, inserting around here. Okay. So I'm gonna just remove this one also here. And with a constrained move, slightly moving this here like this and connect it like the others. Okay, and now I can make this all faces flat. Like this, get this one, except maybe selecting them all and flat them, and the same here. Alright, so now after I just go to the mesh tools, go to thickness, and in the reverse, maybe, okay, 4 millimeters, and press OK, press convert. So now I just got my solid body, and everything seems great. So in case just he was creasing this line, so I'm just gonna just crease this. Let's give this a little bit creasing here, maybe 70, and this vertex, remove the crease from here. Now let's convert again. Okay, now that looks great. Everything looks good here, and I got my solid body. The problem has been solved.